Welcome back to the 2025 ISBHF World Junior Ball Hockey Championships here in beautiful Hradec Králové, as we have Slovakia in blue in a big matchup here, taking on the Czech Republic West. White jerseys with red trunks. Czechs are the home nation, so as part of the ISBHF regulations and bylaws, the home nation at the U16 level is allowed to enter two teams if they so choose, and the Czech Republic has elected to do that. So there's a Czech Republic red and a Czech Republic white. We will see how this one shapes out as we get an early shot on net. Save! Oh, a defensive breakdown there for Slovakia. As the ball is shot back in towards the Slovakian zones, the Czechs go off for a line change here. I'm your play-by-play announcer, Chris Bakanowitz, the ISBHF Promotions Director. Happy to have you with us. Look forward to a good one here between two teams that know each other very, very well. Neighboring countries, as Czech Republic throws it on net. Goes wide, might have been deflected. A lot of fans in attendance here for both Slovakia and the hometown Czechs. As Slovakia trying to get out of danger here, but ball was misplayed. Now they gather it up, send it out, and Czechs take possession of it. It's a broken stick. Whoop, ball bounced right over that broken stick. You can get live scoring in effect on stats.isbhf.com. Always available here at the ISBHF World Ball Hockey Championships. You can see shots on goal, goals, assists, rosters, all that good stuff that you fans back home love. With 13:01 remaining here at CPP Arena. It is the warmest day of the week here. It is approximately 89 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't know how warm it is here in the arena, but it is definitely much warmer than yesterday. Today will be the warmest day of the week. It'll cool back down tomorrow, Saturday, and Sunday. So, as I just mentioned in the previous broadcast between Canada and Slovakia in the U23, we got to keep an eye on fatigue here, especially with the goaltenders. If one team can somehow manage to just get more scoring chances and opportunities on net, it absolutely could factor in later in the game. Because as a goalie myself, going up and down with 30 pounds of gear on you, even if you're not making the save, it definitely takes a toll on your stamina and fatigue. So it'll be interesting to see if the coaches make any coaching adjustments in terms of strategy, where they just want to get more shots on net and things like that, as opposed to some of the more tic-tac-toe passing that we tend to see with the Czech Republic and Slovakia, as the Czech netminder gloved that one down. And in the last game, which Canada won 6-2, it definitely seemed like fatigue was a factor, especially in the third period. This is the U16. Obviously, it's a fairly large age gap between U16 and U23. So while these kids may have more energy, being in their teen years, humidity is humidity and heat is heat. It will get the best of you if you're not careful. As we get back to the action here, Slovakia trying to chip it back out to the point, unable to. Czechs doing a good job with their stick work there, nice and clean. Taken by the Slovaks through the zone. Chipped in. Back behind the net. Slovakia out in front. Oh, just rolled off the player's stick. Prime opportunity there. Long shot deflected wide. Going for a redirect there. Ball is poked towards the Czech bench, and they managed to corral it up. Long, high lob out. That's not going to be a flooring, as the Slovakians are able to get to it before it crosses the red line. So Czechs with it now behind their netminder. So in net for Slovakia is Christian Sklenárik, and in net for Czech Republic is Jan Novotný. Sklenárik and Jan Novotný. As Slovakia tries to get the ball in down deep. Players go up along the boards. Czechs with possession now, send it back. Ball is kept in at the red line, good keep there. Long wrister just easily kicked out by Novotný. Slovakia with possession. Oh, turnover now, Czechs have it, trying to go the other way. Intercepted by the Slovaks through the zone. Centering attempt blocked. Back towards the red line. Slovakia with it. Long shot. Whistled wide. Caromed off the boards towards the near board, just below the Czech bench. Sent back up towards the bench. and then kept in. And we're going to get a hand pass here. So that face-off will come outside the zone. Chants of Češi break out, the traditional Czech Republic chant here at all the World Ball Hockey Championships whenever their teams play. 9:35 remaining here in the opening period. And I got to tell you, in terms of the heat and humidity, I'm up high in the arena. It is probably a good 10 degrees warmer up here, obviously, because heat rises than compared to down low. All of that is to say, if you hear me struggling with a little bit of silence, it's probably because I'm drinking a lot of water, so just bear with me. Trying to stay hydrated here and take care of the vocal cords. Still got a lot of games to call, a lot of hockey left to be played. So don't mind the silence if you don't hear me describing everything in minute detail. Ball squirts through towards the Czech bench. Shot, fanned on, long shot, sticked towards the corner by Novotny. Czechs trying to get this one out of the zone, and now they do. Czechs getting the line change there behind the play. Slovakia with it now through the neutral zone. They don't have numbers. It's a 3-on-3. Dumps it in. That player's going to go off for a change. Ball dumped into the corner. Sticks collide, squirts behind the Czech netminder, up along the near boards. So 8 minutes, 15 seconds remaining here in the opening period. Both teams seem a little sluggish compared to how I saw them play yesterday, in my opinion. So that may be an issue with the heat. Could just be a coaching strategy that the coaches have decided. Let's be a little bit more keen on the defense here as opposed to having a lot of our energy directed on the attack as we get a turnaround shot. But compared to how Slovakia played yesterday against the United States, they definitely look like a bit of a different team here. And same for Czech Republic White. Ball finally corralled up by Slovakia. Back behind Novotny. Czechs corral it up. Sent in all the way deep to the Slovak zone, but that's going to be a flooring, so Czechs won't be able to get a change here. With 7:08 remaining in the opening period of a scoreless affair between the two rivals, hometown Czech Republic in white and Slovakia in blue. Shot goes off of a foot. Up along the boards. Unable to be sent out. Shot. Ooh, right into the glove. That looked like it might have took a bounce off of a player, but Novotny tracked that the whole way right into his glove. Keep it a scoreless affair. 6:54 remaining. Shot goes wide off of a body. Czechs with it, trying to gain the zone. They can't. Good defensive stick work on the part of Slovakia, and that one's just going to be smothered by Novotny, who wants the whistle. Ball goes out towards the far boards. Slovakia not able to keep that in. They'll need to regain the zone here, trying to wheel and deal. They can't. Intercepted at the red line, and then turn right back over to the Czechs. Slovakia now with it. Number 44 has it. Turned over again in the neutral zone. Both teams just sloppy with their neutral zone play here. I would venture that this is going to be a teaching point during the intermission with both coaching staff. You know, young men, we need to be crisper through the neutral zone here. We can't afford to be playing ping pong with our opponent through the neutral zone. Let's be decisive with our passes. Let's make sure we know where we're going with the ball as that shot is blocked. Redirected shot, score! Slovakia goes up 1-0 after Novotny made the initial save, it looked like. But a nice crisp pass. And that player just made no mistake about it, put it right in the back of the empty net, trying to get a number here for you. They'll announce it soon, and it'll be on stats.isbhf.com. Looks like that was number 11 for Slovakia. That's Robert Krajniak. He was one of the key players yesterday in their victory against the United States. 5:45 remaining here. Face-off won back by the Czechs. Sent in towards the far ball. Turned over to the Slovaks. Now they corral it up through the neutral zone. Dumped in towards the far board. Slovakia has it. So it was Krajniak on the goal, assisted by Pataki and Siska. Slovaks trying to carry it up through the neutral zone. They do manage to get it out, but it's turned over to the Czech Republic. Slovakia patient with it along the far boards. 4:55 remaining. Slovakia centering attempt squirts through. Nobody there able to get a stick on it. As Czech Republic comes in, shot, oh, what a stop! Oh my goodness, early save of the game there. I apologize, folks, I couldn't see. There's a pillar here off to my right. I was poking my head around. I couldn't see if that pass was getting through or not, but did manage to catch the end of it. Outstanding save there. Czech Republic white with a golden opportunity. So Christian Sklenárik, early save of the game thus far. But if you're the Czech Republic, that's something to build off of. That's good. That's a good momentum builder. All the way across, shot is fanned on. Into the corner it goes, battle down low. Czechs come away with it up along the far boards. All the way up into the Slovak zone, trying to wheel and deal, makes it through, shot, save again. Good job by Sklenárik. He was player of the game yesterday against the United States, and he was absolutely the reason they won that game, because the United States outshot Slovakia as the Czech Republic goes back in. Another save by Sklenárik, and he's like, okay, boys, I think we've had enough of this, so let's just get a whistle here. 3:06 remaining. Yeah, I mean, having seen all the teams at this point, he certainly looks like the number one of all the number one goalies. Just had an outstanding game yesterday, was on point, made several tremendous third period saves against the United States. One player of the game ultimately proved to be the deciding factor, and you can see why on that slide across. Very good footwork, and positionally, very fundamentally sound. Not afraid to take that extra step out and cut down the angle. As the Czechs get it now, there's a shot. Pad saves Sklenarik. Czechs with it, centering attempt, blocked. Poke towards the near boards. Slovakia comes away with it. Shot off the glove into the corner. Slovakia can't keep that one in. They'll have to retreat back into their own zone as several Czech players go off for a line change here. Long shot, easily padded aside to his defender. Good job by Novotny. So Slovaks getting some line changes now with 1:44 remaining in the opening draw. Slovakia up 1-0. No flooring on the play. Czechs gain the zone, centering attempt, nobody there. And that one trickles all the way in on Novotny, and he's just going to get a glove here as a Czech player. Looked like he tripped. I don't think the Slovakian player pushed him, but he turned around as if he was pushed. No, maybe he was. Only he and the Slovak player know what happened there. Obviously, these two teams know each other well, so there's eventually going to be shenanigans and tomfoolery between these two teams. Happens every tournament and every age bracket. It's just part of ball hockey and similar to how the United States and Canada are. All right, face off to the left of Novotny. Shot, turnaround effort, oh what a save Novotny! After that initial save, put that rebound out into the danger zone. So I don't know if he meant to do that because he was screened on that shot. I think he was just playing positional goaltending, but outstanding recovery effort to track that ball and see that ended up on the stick of the Slovakian player and was able to get himself back in position with 1:09 remaining here in the opening period. Ball goes out of the zone. Slovakia now in their zone as we have a minute remaining here in the opening period. Slovakia retreats after thinking better of it, trying to carry it through the neutral zone. Chipped up and then into the zone, intercepted by the Czechs. .35 seconds remaining in the opening period here. Well, bad decision there on the part of number 24. He was trying to get a backhand going, but he got a second effort here. Now here's Slovakia centering a tough shot. What a stop! Novotny with the waffle. Slovakia walking it back out. Another save, Novotny off his shoulder. Couple of big ones there. And right into the glove. Nope, pardon me, that one went off of his glove, off the back. It looked like he caught it from up here. My apologies, folks, with 3 seconds left. So that'll do it for the first period. Novotny keeping it a one-goal game here. So there's a 10-minute break between periods. We will see you back here for start of the second period action.
Fandíme hokejbal, rozehrajte to u nás. Kluby, obchody, restaurace a parkování zdarma. Jen 15 minut odsud. Enduro Hranic. Prostě lepší nákupy, jídlo i zábava.
Chceš vědět, co se aktuálně děje ve tvém městě? Tak se registruj a dostávej denní přehled zpráv na www.hradeckátrvna.cz/registrace. Spolu víme všechno. www.hradeckátrvna.cz.
Česká 16 se vrací ke druhé třetině. Češi, pojďme přivítat!
All right, welcome back. 1-0 Slovakia here, start of the second period. Slovakia in blue, Czech Republic white, and white and red. That ball is lobbed back into the Czech zone. Carried through the neutral zone by Czech Republic white. Czech Republic white trying to walk it in. Wraparound attempt wasn't there. Centering attempt goes through. Good stick work by the Slovaks to poke check that away as they take control now. Send it back behind their net. Slovakia along the far boards with possession. Mishandled, taken over by the Czechs. Sent all the way down. No flooring. Back behind the net. Slovakia with it. Looking for an outlet pass. Trying to hit the player, but that might be a little too far. Oh, he was able to get it. Czechs take control now towards the near boards. Into the neutral zone. Flipped it in towards net. Played around by Sklenarik. Chipped up. Slovakia trying to get a 2-on-1 there, but a little too hot to handle. That one gets batted up and out of play, so we'll get a face-off here with 12:19 remaining in the second. 1-0 Slovakia over Czech Republic white. Heat and humidity definitely a factor during today's games. You can already start to see players on both benches taking turns sitting down on the bench. Just casual observation here, a lot of water being drank. Players trying to take their gloves and helmets off when they have a chance. Just let the body cool off as Czech Republic white gets an opportunity here. Good defensive play by Slovakia. Shot goes wide. Good job sacrificing the body by number 25 for Slovakia. Outlet pass, intercepted by the Czechs. Dumped into the Slovakian zone, and that's going to be a flooring call with 11:46 remaining in the second period. Backhander went short side. Rattled all the way around, up out of the zone. Oh, misplayed by number 12 by Slovakia. Now he finds himself back behind the net. Checks with 2 on the forecheck there. Slovaks trying to get out of zone. Intercepted. Good read. Poke towards the near boards. Sent up into the zone. Slovakia with it. All the way back to the point. Long wrist shot. Goes off of a foot into the corner. And that is not a hand pass, as the Slovakian player touched it before the Czech player did. Slovakia carries it into the zone. Good stick work by number 9 for the Czech Republic White. Sent in deep in the Czech Republic zone. Oh, breakdown in front. Shot, save. Oh, big one by Novotny on the backhander. I believe he got that with his elbow. Shot goes high over Sklenarik. Turnaround effort, stuffed short side by Sklenarik. Czech still trying to wheel and deal. Player trying to make something happen. Just did not have an outlet there, and now Slovakia intercepts. Dumped in towards the near corner. Dumped all the way down. That's going to be a flooring call. 9:45 remaining, so the faceoff will come back down deep into the Czech zone. Big save by Novotny there. Let's remember that one, keeping this a one-goal affair. Ball ultimately gathered by the Czechs. Still stuck behind their net, rattled around. Intercepted by Slovakia there, misplayed by the Czech Republic. Slovakia now looking to get some sustained attack zone time. Redirect, unable to put it on net, and now Novotny's just going to get a glove on it and let his team get resettled here. With 9:11 remaining in the second period. All right, ball squirts out all the way into the neutral zone. Czechs take it, dump it in. Towards the near board, Slovak player trying to carry it out is intercepted. Both teams digging for it. Referee right on top of the action. Now the Czechs take it. Oh, shot, save, rebound, another save. Sklenarik. Two big ones right there. Oh, turnover, shot blocked. One-timer, no, right into the breadbasket. Good choice there by that Czech player, just took his time, tried to pick a corner. On net, goes off the glove, onto the glass. Oh, hit a foot, ends up staying on the stick of a Slovak player. Back behind the net. Both teams battling. Long shot in, deflected. Back behind the net. Slovakia centering attempt, shot. Net comes off of its post, and the referee signals And I think he's pointing for the faceoff to be outside the zone here. 7:54 remaining. Slovakia leading 1-0. You can get live scoring in effect on stats.isbhf.com. See shots on goal, goals, assists, rosters. Every World Championship. Ball's taken up by the Czechs and then batted into the zone by Slovakia. Long dump in. It's ultimately gathered up by Novotny. He's just going to get another whistle with 7:33 remaining. Slovakia with it, back to the point. Long shot in, goes wide. Czechs have it back behind their net. Rattled up towards the near boards. Picked off by Slovakia, but they turn it right back over to the Czechs. Into the neutral zone. Dumped in. Oh, good forecheck there by the Czech Republic. Poke checked it away from the Slovakian player. Goes off of a foot, still behind the net. Slovakia having some trouble here on this shift, trying to get that ball out of danger. Now they do. Carried through the zone, centering attempt. Nobody there. It's good effort. Pass a little too hot to handle. Unable to get the shot off was number 11. Ball hits the back of the net, now rattled around the boards. Picked up by the Czechs. Can't get it out. Good read on the play by 44 for Slovakia. Czechs have it back behind their net. So shots on goal, according to stats.isbhf.com, they have Christian Sklenarik with 7 shots, obviously 7 saves. He's pitching a shutout. And Jan Novotny for the Czech Republic with 9 saves on 10 shots. So not too much of a differential. As Slovakia gets an opportunity here. Oh, shot save, rebound, save! No, it went in. The referee signal went in. Looked like Novotny had it, but then the referee's arm went up. It must have trickled in behind him. I could not see that from my vantage point. He's still down. Players talking to him. Again, I apologize. There's a pillar to my right here, so I'm trying to peek my head around the play as it happened. I saw Novotny make the initial save, and then the second one, based on his body position, it looked like he had made that save, but then there was just a second delay, and the referee signaled for a goal. So we'll see who they give it to. Slovakia goes up 2-0. Outstanding hustle play, but hey, there's nothing Novotny could do on that, right? I mean, he made the initial save and got a piece of the second one. Defenders got to clean that out after you make that save. And now the Slovakian coach is asking for some sort of explanation from the referee, because I think the Slovakian coaches thought it was dead as well. Well, I mean, the referee was right there, great position. And again, you've heard me say it many, many times, right? I do not criticize referees. They are the best in the world. That's why they're here. And as you saw there, the referee was in perfect position, never blew it dead. The ball crossed the line. So how will the Czech Republic respond? And that ball is ultimately poked back in by Czech Republic. Now Slovakia gets it out. Slovakia gains the zone. Centering attempt, too far. Slovakia still has it. Back to the point. Wrist shot, deflected up over the net. So the second goal scored by number 11 again, Robert Krajniak, assisted by Siska. So Krajniak with 2 goals, Siska with 2 assists. The other assist on the first goal was Pataki. Long shot blocked. Shot, turnaround, goes wide. Centering attempt went off of a Czech player right into the pads of Novotny, so he'll just hold it for the whistle. 4:49 remaining in the second period. Great game so far. Slovakia has had less shots on net, but they've been the team that's capitalized on their scoring chances. Czech Republic, just looking at their body language here, might be experiencing a little bit of frustration. Coaching staff talking to their players, trying to keep them motivated, tell them to keep their heads up, I'm sure. Picked up by the Czechs. Lobbed in. Steered aside. Czech still wheeling and dealing behind the net. Turned it over, now Slovakia has it. Slovakia picks it up along the far boards. Slovaks to the neutral zone. Sent in slowly. Picked up by the Czechs. Turn around. Oh, mishandled. Now sent up along the far boards. Czechs trying to gain the zone. They're offside, so Slovakia will go back and pick that up with 3:40 remaining in the second period. Oh, Slovak player loses their footing. Slovaks with it behind the net. Wraparound attempt. Good job by Novotny sealing that short side. Centering attempt. Nobody there to pick it up. Defenseman pinches, keeps it in the zone. Slovakia with it. Oh, player comes off the bench. Wrist shot. Patted aside. Shot. Rebound. Save. Another couple of big ones by Novotny there, keeping his team in it. He's been impressive, very positionally sound. Even though he's given up a couple of rebounds, he's been in prime position to make the saves. Slovaks have it. Trying to stick handle through, can't. Kept in by Slovakia, that shot goes wide. Slovakia with it behind the net. Center attempt, oh save! Another one! Another one! Slovaks had 2 whacks on it on the rebounds. Novotny down on the butterfly. Keep him out of the back of the net. As Novotny and someone on the Slovak team exchange words. Can't see the number from up here. That was Krajniak, number 11, the young gentleman who scored both goals. Shot deflected, went off of a foot up high towards the far corner. Center attempt, nobody there. Ooh, dangerous play for the Czech Republic, but got a fortuitous bounce as they try to gain the zone. Nope, toe drag gets stymied. Minute 50 remaining here in the second period, 2-0 Slovakia. Novotny steers that to his defenseman. Picked up by the Czech player. So 1-on-3 there. Didn't have any options. Had it poke checked off his stick. Kept in the zone. Fakes the shot. Long wrister. Easily stick towards the corner. And that one gets deflected up out of play. So we'll have a face-off here down low. Well, as was the last game, fatigue definitely playing a factor. See many players on both teams sitting down on the bench. You just don't see that a lot, especially at this age group, right? These are young gentlemen, kids, if you will, have a lot of energy, but there's a lot of water being drank. Very smart of them to just sit down when they can and conserve energy. Gonna need it in the third.
Češi, pojďme se zase ozvat, jste tady!
Poked away, Czechs have it. Shot gets deflected, never made it through to the net. All right, last minute of play here. Slovaks very calmly walking the ball up. They might be content to just go into the second intermission here with a 2-0 lead. Well, Czech Republic is complaining that Slovakia is not advancing the ball forward, which is a rule in hockey, and they can be penalized for it. The referees absolutely can call that as a penalty. It's rarely called. I can't remember ever seeing it called in a World Championship. It would be the first time to my knowledge, but that is part of hockey. You must make reasonable efforts to advance the ball forward. And that's what the Czech Republic was complaining about. But nonetheless, that'll do it. No penalty. All right, 10-minute break between periods. We'll see you back here for the start of the third. Slovakia 2, Czech Republic 0.
Fandíme hokejbal, rozehrajte pro nás. Kluby, kino, obchody, restaurace a parkování zdarma. Jen 15 minut odsud. Futuru Hradec. Prostě lepší nákupy, jídlo i zábava.
Chceš vědět, co se aktuálně děje ve tvém městě? Tak se registruj a dostávej denní přehled zpráv na www.hradeckatrvna.cz/registrace. Spolu víme všechno. www.hradeckatrvna.cz
Snapchat, Instagram a odtud tuhle holku znám. Čo já jsem člověk, sleduju IG, ale nečekej, že ti dám follow nebo lajčík. To by si musela vypadat tak jako tajný jazyk je umět, co ve trackingu mají. Ty nevědí, si nevidíš už Snapchat, ty videa, ty fotky, tomu se věřit nechce. Jak neslyšel, že píšeme, že je na cestě, nikdy jsme se neviděli, ale chci pomoct. Hej, nemůžu si vzpomenout, jak tomu došlo, ale rozločí na kolenou. Odnazuje jazyk svůj, vidím jí spokojenou, to tu na práci zaslouží dovolenou. Holky sdílou mluví se rychle jako Snapchat, protože ty věci nechci vidět jenom přes chat. Tak už mi postupně neříkej, že se ti nechce, že si chci volit a já na nový desce. Snapchat, Instagram, jedu si Snapchat, Instagram, jedu si Snapchat, Instagram, jedu si Snapchat, Instagram, jedu si Snapchat, Instagram, a odtud tuhle holku znám. Jedu si Snapchat, Instagram, a odtud tuhle holku znám. Jsem online tak moc, že kdybych byl online trochu víc, budu internet. Mám letenku na směrný místo a ještě jednu letenku na místo vedle mě. Filtruju fotky, jak lidi kolem leplit světě, zůba mě koruna to náletylek. Jsem kendy, protože jsem svít, cekám, či se kopat, že to bylo, že to je web se mě. A já beru, jako kdyby to byl líp, takže jestli něco bylo, tak už zůstaly jen peníze. A kdyby nebyly ty učis, tak by nebyly ty takhle, proto všechny moje bývalý prací máš na hodně. To nejtěky bank, pane na víkend, trojka mluví, když to držím sem, jak dirigent. Ona kouká, jak myšlení, říkám, jak si lep, a nedělej, že ne. Snapchat, Instagram, jedu si Snapchat, Instagram, jedu si Snapchat, Instagram, jedu si Snapchat, Instagram, jedu si Snapchat, Instagram, a odtud tuhle holku znám. Jedu si Snapchat, Instagram, a odtud tuhle holku znám. Hej, podívej se na mě.
And we're back. Apologize for the delay. Had to attend to some other matters. A quick meeting with a couple of the other directors, but score remains 2-0. Slovakia pitching a shutout against Czech Republic White. Czechs have not really had many great scoring chances in this game. Just a handful, but Sklenárik, the netminder for Slovakia, player of the game yesterday in their victory against the United States, still playing very, very well in this game. Ball back behind the net. Squirts around towards the far boards. Picked up by the Czechs. Looking to carry it through the neutral zone. Sent in off the glass and actually ends up off the mesh netting, so we'll get a whistle here with 11:16 remaining. Picked up by the Slovaks through the neutral zone. Long shot in. Waffled to the glass by Novotny. Slovakia trying to get a wraparound attempt here. Pass, shot, save, Novotny. Kicked it out with his right foot. Slovakia with it behind Novotny. Centering attempt, nobody there. Czechs trying to poke it out, can't. Chipped up towards the far boards. Lobbed out. One-on-one, poked towards the far boards. Sent back in. Knocked back out by Slovakia with 10:15 remaining. Centering attempt. Intercepted by the Czechs. And then sent back in by the Slovaks. Long shot goes wide. Czechs have it inside the Slovak zone. Wheeling and dealing along the low near boards. Slovaks regain possession, but turned over back to the Czechs. Shot, glove down. Ooh, dangerous rebound. Picked up by Slovakia. And we get a whistle for an offsides with 9:03 remaining here in the final period. 2-0 Slovakia. It's been a slower game than what we've seen, and I have to say it's just a byproduct of the heat and humidity in here. It is, the only way to describe it is it's dead air. There's just not a lot of circulation. But credit to the players, they're battling through it. Centering attempt, mishandled, ball still loose. Finally, Sklenarik covers it up. Bad turnover there by the Slovaks, almost resulted in disaster. And that ball squirts all the way out to the red zone.
Češi, pojďme se chytit zase našeho speakera a pojďme to pořádně vylecovat.
Poke checked away, picked back up by Slovakia. Czechs trying to gain the zone. Can't. Slovakia, good position. Now the Czechs do. Battling down low, 2 players from each team. Long shot, steered aside. Rebound off the side of the net. Took a funky carom off the side of the net there. And that's going to be a flooring call, so the faceoff will come all the way back down into the zone here with 7:32 remaining. Well, as I mentioned earlier in the broadcast, folks, I know I'm not doing a lot of talking, just trying to save the vocal cords. Still got a lot of hockey to call, and it is, just to be quite frank with you, excruciatingly warm up here. As you know from basic science, heat rises up here at the top of the arena. It is much warmer than I am normally used to here for calling games. So doing my best to stay hydrated and just reduce the stress on the vocal cords. Appreciate you being with this. These two teams with 7:19 remaining know each other so well, just don't seem to have the same energy level that you're used to seeing. It's not surprising given how humid it is with the heat. Even though these are teenagers, it's just tough to battle through this. It really is, and I give them all the credit in the world. They're just doing the best they can. But the action is not as fast as you normally see, especially yesterday compared to the game between Slovakia and the United States. All right, Slovakia with it through the zone. Sent in down low. Czechs pick it up along the boards. Trying to wheel and deal. You got to be careful here because that's what's going to happen. He's going to get a poke checked away, and they've been trying to do that all game with no success. That shot goes wide. You know, one of the things that the players have to learn as they progress through the tournament from a coaching perspective, right, is don't try doing the same thing over and over again. And the Czech Republic has really been trying to just carry the ball through the neutral zone. And to Slovakia's credit, they've been reading the play perfectly. And I'm sure the Czech coaches are reiterating that to the players. Guys, you know, we got to start head-manning the ball, right? If you don't have a pass to make, right, lob it into the zone and then chase, get it deep, and get a forecheck going. But in defense of the players, right, I mean, these are kids. It's the U16 division. They'll learn with time. Could also be nerves, right? This is a rivalry game. It's only the second day of the tournament. Long shot, patted aside. Rebound cleared away by the Czech defender, and that one goes up into the Czech bench. Czechs carry it into the zone. Slovakia intercepts. 5:50 remaining in the final period. 2-0 Slovakia in blue. Centering attempt picked up. Potential 2-on-1 for Slovakia here. Shot. Scored! 3-0. Far side against Novotny. He came out to cut down the angle, and that's what happens when you get world championship level shooters. Sometimes they just make great shots. I know Novotny's upset with himself, but what can you do? I mean, that's how you play that. You take a step out. Any 2-on-1 goalie has the shooter, and that's what he did. He focused his energy on the shooter, and his teammates are trying to tell him to keep his head up there. That's just a great shot. There's nothing you can do about it. So 5:42 remaining. And barring something happening here that lights a fire under the Czech team, I think Slovakia's got this one in the bag. All right, ready for the drop. So they've announced the score. And if we head over to stats.isbhf.com, they'll have it posted. So the last score was Patrick Jurkovic, assisted by Koliboshka. Both of them, that's their first point on the day. Checks with it. Back to the point. Fakes the shot, centering attempt. Down low. Czechs trying to wheel and deal, make something happen. Little give and go, stymied. Wraparound attempt, not there. 4:30 remaining in the final period. Shot, blocked. Good job by Slovakia, sacrificing the body. Shot, save, smothered. Skolarnik pitching a shutout. All right, so timeout. That is now over. So they will line up for the draw. Four minutes, 8 seconds remaining. Czechs trailing by 3. Shot, never made it through, picked up by Slovakia, one-on-one here. Empty net for the Czech Republic. Shot goes wide. Poke checked away. Slovaks trying to get it in front. They do! Make it 4-0. Well, if you're to the Czech Republic, you just got to be very unhappy with yourself, how you handled that whole sequence of events. Just 2 misplays. There's really no reason Slovakia should have got an empty net on that one. I mean, you had them outmanned. And it's just symbolic of how their day's gone. Just has not been their day. But I don't want to take anything away from Slovakia. They've done what they needed to do. It was a hustle play, and they were rewarded with a goal. As Novotny goes back in net. Shot waffled up onto the glass. Czechs gather it into the zone. Centering attempt, nobody there. And that one is smothered up as we get a little extracurricular activities. And Czech Republic is able to keep it in. Now Slovakia gains control. Ball's kicked forward, picked up by the Slovaks. And we get a whistle here as that one's smothered up. Ball bounces up off the boards. Picked up by the Czech Republic, trying to get it out. They can't, under 3 minutes remaining. Ball still back behind the net. Still digging for it. Neither team able to get possession. And Czech's trying to carry that in the Slovak zone. Poke checked away. Goes back behind Sklenarik. Nope, intercepted. Turnaround opportunity. Saves Sklenarik right into the glove. Continues the shutout. I'll tell you, this kid's something else. Got a bright future ahead of him. All right, Novotny comes out to play that, leaves it for his defenseman. Last 2 minutes. Shot, and that one goes in. Make it 5-0 Slovakia. Well, again, it's emblematic of the way this game has gone for the Czech Republic. It's just not been their day. It has been Slovakia's day, and they have clearly played like the better team. So, minute 45 remaining. I'm going to go ahead and wrap things up, give the vocal cords a rest, and head downstairs, try and cool off. As I mentioned, it is much hotter up here at the top of the arena than it is downstairs. So appreciate you joining us, folks. I know it wasn't my best broadcast, but we will get better as the week goes on. Be sure to join us for more action here at the 2025 World Junior Ball Hockey Championships, as Slovakia is going to take this one home, leading by a score of 5-0 with a minute and a half remaining. We'll see you soon.
sportovního výboru Královéhradeckého kraje. Best player of Team Czechia, player number 24, Jan Novotný. Cenu pro nejlepšího hráče utkání z týmu Česka získává hráč s číslem 24, Jan Novotný. Best player of Team Slovakia, player number 11, Robert Krajňák. Cenu pro nejlepšího hráče utkání z týmu Slovenska získává hráč s číslem 11, Robert Krajňák. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the national anthem of Slovakia. Dámy a pánové, prosím povstaňte, zazní hymna Slovenska.
České 16, tak bohužel derby proti Slovensku nevychází a prohrává 0-5, nicméně český zápas v rámci programu tady v ČPP aréně během dnešního odpoledne ještě nekončí. Český zápas, totiž právě tady už za necelých 40 minut se hraje také česká U23, která nastoupí proti Spojeným národům. Těšíme se opět na vaši podporu, neodcházejte nikam daleko, protože za 40 minut jdeme zpátky na věc.
Control.